This is Hayes State Park, located on the southern shores of Wamplers Lake, and this is located in the heart of the Irish Hills. The Irish Hills are named so because of all the rolling green hills that are kind of reminiscent of Ireland, and you'll definitely notice the change in topography once you start driving on the roads here. It's very hilly, but Hayes State Park is a great place to come and hang out on the beach that we're looking at right here. They've got a lot of picnic tables. It's quite large and usually very busy in the summer. I'm here in the morning, and there's a lot of different green space to come have a picnic. There's a campground located on the other side of Route 124 that also has some cabins that you can rent, and there's a couple different boat launches so you can bring your boat out to the lake as well. And we're very close to the MIS, the Michigan International Speedway, about 5 miles away. So it's a popular place to come during races, and that's why it gets so busy here. But on a calm morning, it's a very serene state park.